Hi guys, TotallyDubbed here, and today I'm doing a video overview and unboxing of the Abkoncore CT405W Spectrum CPU cooler. Now I'd like to thank Abkoncore for sponsoring this video. If you'd like any more information or indeed would like to purchase it, do check in the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's start off with unboxing the product. I'm just going to get it out and see what we're going to get. So as we remove this, we can see that straight away there's the CPU cooler. You might want to make sure you're careful taking these out because they're obviously razor blade like any other CPU cooler, so just bear that in mind. So here we go, we can see the package content. So straight away on the left hand side you'll see the actual CPU cooler. You've got the heat pipes, you can see the 4 copper heat pipes running around on either side. And of course make sure you do get rid of this protection film before you do apply it to your CPU. The actual fan itself has got a 4-pin connector, which is as you might expect for a CPU fan. It can also be removed if you so wish, and you can see over here how the overall design and look is. And then now we move on to the actual brackets. So you've got brackets for basically all types of CPU sockets, and I'll be sure to list it down over here of the sockets that you can include it on. Other than that, you've got a warranty information, and then you've also got a little guide over here from Abkoncore as to how to actually mount it to your PC or to your motherboard CPU, shall I say. And obviously putting into the CPU fan header will be the one that you'll want to do for this particular cooler. Now, a few other things you might want to bear in mind in order to fit this CPU cooler into your PC is the actual dimensions. So it's 158 millimeters tall, 127 millimeters in terms of its width, and in terms of depth it's around 75 millimeters. So it's pretty small in terms of fitting into a case, but you might want to just bear that in mind in case you're building, let's say, a mini ITX build. Now, in terms of the CPU fan's thermal design power, it's 150 watts, so you might want to bear that in mind. That's going to be plenty for most modern day PCs. As for the dimensions of the fan, it's 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters and 25 millimeters in terms of depth. As for the actual speed that the fan is capable of, it's 800 to 1800 RPM, give or take a 10%. And as the actual airflow that it provides is 74.85 CFM, with a noise level rated, at least by Abkoncore, at 36 decibels. In terms of its input voltage is DC 12 volts, as you might expect from a CPU fan. So here we go, I've got the CPU fan cooler connected up to my PC. Obviously it's not on a CPU right now, but do stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a PC build with this CPU cooler on it. But I just wanted to showcase the sort of Spectrum RGB lights. You can see over here how it just is slowly transitioning through the whole spectrum, and it does look really beautiful. Now, what I'm going to also do is add some load to my computer so you can hopefully see the fan ramp up. So I've launched up Prime 95, it's 100% load, and you can potentially hear my whole PC is pretty much going into overload simply because all the fans have ramped up to maximum. Now, the CPU fan that you can see in front of you is running at around 1600 RPM, whilst before at idle was running between 800 to 900 RPM. Now I'm going to go quiet and give you a little bit of a difference as to with Prime 95, obviously a ridiculous 100%, more than 100% load you'd think, and when it's pretty much at idle on desktop. So there we have it, guys. That's been my overview and unboxing of the T405W CPU cooler by Abkoncore. If you've got any questions whatsoever, do ask me down in the comments below. As mentioned, it will be featuring in a PC build, so do subscribe if you want to see that. And of course, favorite and share and like this video, as it'll always help the channel grow. Alright guys, I've been TotallyDubbed. Take care and bye bye.